Your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room. Jeff Bezos. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of business success, building a strong brand. In today's competitive market, a well-defined brand can significantly impact customer perception and loyalty. This video will guide you through a clear, step-by-step process to crafting a powerful brand that resonates with your target audience in 2024 and beyond. Step 1. Understanding your audience and value proposition. The foundation of any strong brand is a deep understanding of your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their needs, wants, and pain points? Conduct market research and competitor analysis to gain valuable insights. Additionally, define your unique value proposition, the core benefit your brand offers customers that sets you apart. Step 2. Developing your brand identity. Now let's define your brand's personality and voice. Imagine your brand as a distinct entity. What are its core values? How would you describe its tone and communication style? Consistency in brand voice across all platforms is key to building recognition. Step 3. Crafting your brand story. Every successful brand has a compelling story. This is your opportunity to showcase your origin, mission, and vision for the future. Your brand story should connect with your audience on an emotional level and give them a reason to believe in what you stand for. Step 4. Building brand assets. Visual elements play a significant role in brand recognition. Here's where you develop key brand assets like your logo, color palette, and fonts. Ensure these elements are aligned with your brand personality and resonate with your target audience. Step 5. Leveraging digital platforms. In today's digital age, building a strong online presence is crucial. Develop a user-friendly website that reflects your brand identity. Utilize social media platforms strategically to connect with your audience and create engaging content. Step 6. Maintaining brand consistency. Consistency is key to building lasting brand recognition. Ensure your brand message and visuals are consistent across all platforms, from your website to social media to packaging, if applicable. Remember, building a strong brand is an ongoing process. By regularly evaluating your brand strategy and adapting to market trends, you can ensure your brand remains relevant and continues to resonate with your audience. What are some challenges you've faced in building your brand? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching.